Welcome to page 2 of percent of increase and percent of decrease. For this entire page, you will be using the formula R equals D. Rate times original equals the difference. And in each case, you're going to be looking for the rate. First, you'll find it as a decimal, and then ultimately, you'll convert it to a percent. For each one of these problems, you're going to have basically the same setup, and you're going to practice these 4 problems on your own. You're going to determine which amount represents the original amount, which amount represents the new amount, and then you're going to find the difference. Once you find the difference, then you'll move on to the formula. And once again, in each case, you're going to be looking for the rate. The rate that represents the percent of increase or decrease. So, take a moment. Let's read the first question together, but then you're going to be on your own. Keep the worksheet posted on your screen and complete the problems in your spiral notebook. Here we go. In August, Sue earned $420. In September, she earned $350. Clearly, August came first, so it's the original amount. It's our job to find the percent of decrease in her income. So, 420 is your original. 350 is the new amount. Subtract and find the difference in the two amounts. You will use your dollar difference and your original amount in step 2 in the formula. When you're done with all 4 problems, go ahead and check your work against the answer key that's been given. Here are your 4 questions that you need to complete. Make sure you show your work in your spiral notebook. Pause this video so you can read each question, and when you're ready, move on to the answer key and compare your answers to the answer key.